guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Registry editor not opening, or you can say as not working on your Windows PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Registry editor is not working or not opening, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your this PC. In this you need to open local disk C. After that you can see here Windows option or Windows folder. You have to double click on this. In this you need to search System32. You can see here System32. Double click on this. Guys, under System32 folder you need to find Registry editor, reg, then press enter. Guys, you can see here Reg32 application, or you can say Registry editor file. Just you have to copy this and you can paste it on desktop. Open it from here, click on yes to allow. Now you can see Registry editor is working. After doing this, if it's not working, then try the second method. Click on start menu, then type here cmd. You can see here command prompt. Just right click on this, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Here you need to type sfc space / scan now and press enter. You have to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Registry editor not opening or not working on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.